Today's sponsor.
If you're one of the 45 million Americans this year that plan on going on a diet, I have one word of advice for you: don't. The reason for this is that 99% of all diets fail because they fail to address the root cause of weight gain in the first place, often only addressing the symptoms of calories in, calories out, portion control, calorie restrictions, and exercise as a means to lose weight. This is why I am releasing my newest book, Toxic Free Diet, where I expose the 5 critical mistakes that diet plans do not address and teach you the simple steps on how to turn weight loss resistance into weight loss results 100% of the time. Hi, my name is James Uberti, health and wellness author, environmental toxin expert, founder and director of Desert Cryotherapy Pain Relief and Weight Loss Center. Over the course of 42 months of researching why we get fat in the first place and why most diets fail, I uncover the critical role that chemicals play on fat storage. According to modest estimates, we are exposed to over 700,000 toxic chemicals every single day and end up in our bodies. Now, our bodies are organic mechanisms, and essentially they do not know how to detoxify synthetic man-made chemicals. They absorb it into your fat cell, and I want you to think of a fat cell as a water balloon. They expand and contract based on the amount of foods that we eat, the type of foods that we eat, and the type of chemicals that we expose these fat cells to. You see, unless you address chemicals, you'll never seem to lose weight. In my book, Toxic Free Diet, I uncover and I teach you how to reduce and remove and avoid fat fertilizing chemicals. I'm excited to release my newest book, and I know that you're going to love it. In fact, you're going to love the results, you're going to love looking great and feeling great, and you're going to love losing weight the easy way. My name is James Uberti. Live young, be well.